Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Dan and we're back in the garage. Today for something completely different. We are going to be working on the daily driver. And it's a 2015 GMC Sierra single cab, short bed, two-wheel drive base model. This is the Grandpa edition. It's got the factory style fog lights, driving lights added on, the vent visors, window tint, hard shell cap on the bed, and an aftermarket power window kit that is hot wired. And today we are replacing the driver's window switch because the previous owner did what I can only describe as using his fist to roll the window down, because the switch almost goes full travel before it actually actuates. Like, actually, I am pushing the switch fully, pushing the rocker full travel, and the switch window is staying up. So yeah, so I have a new switch that I purchased from the company. The company that this kit came from, the window kit came from, is A1 Electric Automotive Accessories. I purchased the switch myself out of my own pocket. The new switch has good positive engagement, and only takes the slightest touch to actuate, unlike the old switch where full travel and it doesn't full travel down, it doesn't make contact. So I'm gonna pull the door card off, replace the switch, and yeah, I'll be able to open the window better going to work. I already got the screw axis removed. There's one screw underneath the door pull, and there's two down inside the handle. Those are 7mm. Now, this power window kit, at first, I didn't realize when I purchased the truck. At least I've had this truck. At the time of recording, it is middle of July 2026. I purchased this truck November 24. So do the math on that. So I'm 3 months shy of 2 years. So I've owned this truck 21 months. I've owned this truck, and I've put almost 30,000 miles on it since then, and has not caused many issues. And engine, this thing has the 4.3 liter LV3 V6. It has no relation to the old pushrod, the old small block Chevy based pushrod. Well, it's still a pushrod 4.3, but has no relation to the original 4.3. This engine makes was it 287 horse, 305 foot-pound torque on pump gas, and then 297 horse and 297 horse and 330 foot-pounds on E85. So it's a pretty stout V6. And I've used this to pull car trailers and haul all sorts of. Oh, there's two 7mm down at the bottom as well. And this power window kit uses factory motors and regulators, so replacement parts there aren't a problem, but it took me a bit to find the switches for this. Yeah, originally this thing had a. Surprised I didn't notice it when I put new speakers in this. But yeah, originally had crank windows. And did a fairly they did a fairly decent job with the kit. But what we have to do is, since the new switch didn't come with a connector, we got to deep-pin the connector that's in the door already and swap them out. So easiest way to do that is just run the new switch in parallel alongside of it, and do it one for one, because it should all match. So just pick a wire and start with it. We're going with red. I'm just using a flat pick to depress the tabs on the blade connectors and to push them out. And that was red with blue. And we got two browns. And if anything's wrong, it's the browns are reversed, but they shouldn't be. And then black with a pink tracer. Oh, that's nice. Both black with pink tracers. So, oh. Now, before we button it up, we will ops check the window. All right. All right. Our connections are good. So, just reverse installation. That's the one thing I don't like about this kit, is how these switches sit in the in this housing. But yeah, that switch definitely works better. it's a light touch instead of having to punch it like like it was before. So that's the only thing about this kit that I don't like is this pod for the, like, how the switches sit in this pod. But that's that. Window switch replaced on A1 Electrics power window conversion kit for, what was this, 2014 to 2018 GMC Sierra and Chevy Silverado. Well, hope that was something to watch. Well, it was something to watch. Hopefully you enjoyed it. And yeah, thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, comment, and see you again next time with whatever else we're going to work on.